back to my channel. My name is Lukman. In this video I want to show you on how to download product videos on 168 apps. You could be like, how is it, and how could you be able to download product videos? And you'll be like, you only download the pictures every time. But yeah, I want to show you the step on how to download the product video, which is as simple as ABC. All you just need to go to your Google Chrome and search the product that you want, and also which I'll be able to, and also I'll be displaying this step by step on how to download the video. So this is the bag that I want to download the link. The next thing I have to click on the bag.
测试一，
So
暴
after
力里面，第一时间摊开产品。
I click on the bag, the next thing I will do is to press this button, which is download. Please let me circle it. I'll press there, which is download. So after that, the video has already been downloading on my file. So this is where I will check the video. So this is how to download the product pictures on 168. And also I'll be showing you the second step on how to download for another thing. I'll be showing you so this is the bag that I want to download, this solar bag. So I'll click on this 3-dot icon. So after I click on this 3-dot icon, the next thing I'll press is download. So guys, this is how to download the product pictures on 116, product videos on 168. If you are just coming to my channel, here on this channel I share tips and secrets of mini importation and exportation and digital marketing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce websites, anything related to how to create your e-commerce website and how to set your business online. So if you are just coming to my channel, make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click on the notification bell to get notified immediately I drop awesome videos like this. So see you when I see you next week, same time.